All right, everybody. This is the day after Thanksgiving, and I've got to go pick up some stuff to vend a basketball tournament this weekend. But while I was over here, I'm gonna go ahead and start my buses up because they've been sitting over Thanksgiving holidays. It's been getting down to the freezing temps. Right now it's in the high 30s, almost 40s, and we're gonna get these things running. I'm gonna let them run while I'm going to pick up that stuff, charge the batteries and all up to get back ready for Monday morning. Most of these are spares. That's not, and 98's not, and those are route buses up there. We're just gonna go ahead and get these started up. Them run for a while. Great. What's really gonna piss me off is if I get up into the back of this thing and it doesn't start. Yep, this is 94, 72 passenger CE300, 2004 model. See if it'll do something. Oh, we got life. If it do anything. This is my main spare. I usually always use it. This is a route bus here. This is 2005 CE300 DT466. Electric door. 72 passenger. That intake heater cycle. Need some fuel. It doesn't have any batteries in it right now, so it won't start. It was a route bus, but now we got new 95, which is that C2 on here. 99 just got a new radiator and cooling fan put in it. I put a fan clutch on it and then decided it wanted to break, so this is the electric door as well. Just a sister to the other one. Wait to start. What is it with everybody parking their buses on empty? I reckon everybody was just ready to get out of here. This is always the best one when it comes to starting in the cold. The best one of these anyway. Now this is where things start getting interesting. This bus is bad about losing its prime after it sits on the weekend. And I don't think I have any ether out here to spray it with. We'll see if it'll do something. I don't think it's gonna do it. And I don't have any starting fluid out here, so I'll have to come back to this one. All right, this is 88 and 98 FS65. It's got a brand new set of batteries in there. It should start. Manual door, 65 passenger. Whole bus ain't in too bad shape. See what it'll do here. Wasn't worried about that 5.9 not starting. It might work on this one, I'm not sure. Nope. Oh, on the bottom. 92, willing to bet the batteries are dead on this. Maybe not though. Huh? You look at there. That camera system's bad about staying on. And then with that having to draw on it as well, it don't help the situation. Alright, on up to the other three route buses. I reckon we'll start off with that Raggedy C2. I don't even know if I want to fight with that Caterpillar and that thing. Electric door. I think this one is a 72 capacity C2. Blue seating. Kind of an oddball. All the rest of them are gray. Ooh, it's actually low of air for once. No wet to start like. Should have figured it was gonna start. Brand new bus. If it hadn't had, that cell phone would have got a piece of my mind. '05. This is the one that always gives me issues starting when it's cold. I know it's gonna be not nice. Over. Well, it didn't start. First try for once. I already know that one out there is not gonna start. It's a spare anyway. That's kind of why it's out there. It wouldn't start to bring it in here. This is my route bus. It's raining in here. Uh-oh. I just thought about something. I put this bus in here. Supposed I had one on the trip Tuesday. I just realized I had my keys with me. Wonder what did they take? That's scary. Sorry about that. Bluetooth connected and stopped the video. Yeah, so we still got a mess on here from Friday. Somebody was on my bus eating some chips. It's okay, I'll handle that this week. I allow my students to eat on my bus, but we don't make messes like that. I guess for shits and giggles. I'll see what I can't do with the record. I think it's a 3116 in this. Let me take you the light up there. Neutral, clutch down. Over here in just a second, that light's gonna go out. It's still gonna crank like crap. Yep, that's about it. Stay tuned for more updates. I got some coming. I'm gonna try to start back posting every Friday now. This is kind of a last minute video. I gotta kind of figure out some more ideas. You got any ideas for video, leave a comment below. Other than that, thanks for watching.